I'm Alison Green, based out of the UK, Telford, which is where we have our manufacturing base. My role is to look after the OEMs that we have globally. My main job is in the EMEA region, and here we are with FANUC, which is one of the most important ones that we're working with at the moment. Just over a year ago, we were nominated within the FANUC group to go forward for the filtration possibilities that can go with FANUC. To be honest, it's the perfect fit. FANUC is a global company. They have service and they attend the whole world, basically. Also, the quality brand has a small footprint. It's multi-purpose. It's a very well-known brand, and it's a sign of quality. So Filtermist, I think we have the perfect fit. I mean, Filtermist, we offer a 5-year warranty, the same as FANUC, so what's not to like? We're globally recognised. We've been established for many, many years. So I think we're in 60 countries. We are the preferred supplier for many, many of the large OEMs. And on this occasion, one of our new partnerships, and a very prestigious one for us, is that we're working with FANUC.
FANUC are a forward-looking company because we are exhibiting today here a quite good solution. Actually, it's not directly linked to the machine, it's more to the humans, to the end customers, taking care about their health and safety. First of all, this mist collector unit, which we are having installed on the top of the robot drill, it's fairly simple, it's easy to maintain, and as I said already, it's a machinery which is keeping the humans safe. Yeah? So it's extracting mist fumes from the machine, from the inside of the machine. Those fumes can lead to harms in whatever way. Yeah, we have actually a sticker on the deck directly on the machine, which is stating that for the machinery itself, it's quite of a benefit to have a proper mist collector or extraction system running, especially when you have top covers which are open, for instance. So those fumes might contaminate your working area. So you have like direct and indirect harms. There's direct harm, for instance, to the machine, and there is indirect harms to the personnel in front of the machines. In a close collaboration, we have developed together with Filtermist software, hardware to make it really easy to use, plug and play for our customers, and that's what we have right now.
It's kind of an invisible benefit in some way, because it not only it's clearing the oil mist out of the cabinet, it's keeping the workers protected when they open the machine door, but also it sort of saves the floors being slippery, cleaning the lights, so you're saving on cleaning bills, but also it helps to cool the inside of the machine. One of the things I think that we really align really well with FANUC is that we offer a 5-year warranty, which I think is pretty unusual, and FANUC also do the same thing. So I think our values fit beautifully.